Hi, this is Barry Paul coming at you two again with another video. Now this video is of the crystal chamber, and I decided to just sit the parts together, put them together just temporarily, just to show you how it looks assembled. Now this video probably hasn't gotten to yet because I ain't gonna put this on with the ones that show the pieces, the pieces piece by piece description. But this one will just show you the basics, how this thing will look. The top piece is that spheroid shaped one up on top, and then the middle piece from the top where the cone shape is another part of it. Then at the very part where the steel balls or the stainless steel balls is, and below that to the bottom is another cone shaped piece which sits down there. Okay, now the whole thing stands about maybe a little over 30 inches, I think. But I'll get an accurate measurement. I haven't really measured it. I'm just estimating, a rough estimate. But I say it's about 30 inches in height, or slightly over 30 inches in height. But I'll measure it, then I'll give another video showing the measurements. Now, I won't say a whole lot because this video, because I don't want to tell a whole lot right now. Until I experiment with it and got the whole scope of what this thing can do, I'll just leave that up in the air for now. Because there's no power running through it, so that I can't really tell you a whole lot because I haven't put no power through this thing. Because I haven't finished with the circuitry, the coilings, and all the necessary things that gives it the physical power. Mentally power, or let's just say residual power. It has residual power because I've noticed that when I put it near TV sets and things, that it does have a residual effect on them. But that's just the natural elements inside it that does that. Okay, and I configured it in such a way that these forces are made to be the ultimate effect. So we don't know what this thing's going to do when we get it all hooked up and inside the proper casings and all wired into all their panels and batteries and things like that, just how potent it'll be. But I haven't got all the stuff on it, so it's going to be a really impressive looking piece of equipment. Even now, you can look at it and say, well, it's pretty impressive, but then again, one video is not worth 1,000 words. You would have to see it in its physical entirety. This video may not be showing enough detail because it's not a very, for some reason, everything I take a picture of that I build has a offset nature. I mean, it's like it hides itself, it cloaks itself a little bit. Because if I take a picture of a TV set or a bottle on a table, you can see it better than you see this thing. It might be because most of the stuff is black. And even the white dome, it's got black on it, so it hides things. So you don't see as much as you want to see. But for the time being, this is what you see is what you get. This is the full project when it's assembled. I haven't added the plastic chambers on the top that that orb sits on. I just used a CD burner top that I used off of top of a CD burner that has a stack of CDs on it. That they put the little plastic cover on to cover it. That's exactly the size in terms of round diameter on the, but it'll be probably about 6 inches, 6-inch cone. 6-inch cylinder that's 5 inches round. That'll be attached to the top of that thing, and that spherical shaped one on top will sit on top of that, and it'll be bonded to it so it's permanent. So everything will be bonded once I got everything in completion, and all the power sources and stuff is in it. I'll bond it all together, and I'll put a reinforcement on everything, and then we'll see what we shall see. But till then, this is Barry Paul coming at you saying peace, harmony, and I'll see you all later. Peace.